What's my name? My name's Tom Mackey and your name's Tom Mackey. Does that mean we're related?
Yeah,
Oh, now what's my relationship to you?
Tom Mackey.
I'm a Tom Mackey-er, am I? Is that Bonnie Mackey over there?
Yeah.
Can you see her?
Yeah, over here.
See her over here? That's Bonnie Mackey. Oh, she doesn't even show up in the light there. You show up. Wait a minute, I gotta get your face over here in the sunlight. No, I can't seem to get the sunlight on your face too good. You like the sunlight?
Yeah.
Does it feel warm on your face?
Yeah.
You want to go out and feed the birds?
Nobody's out there. Yeah.
You looking forward to getting out and walking around out in the warm... Can you walk
Yeah.
a little bit?
No, but
Yeah. Yeah.
How come you quit wearing your teeth? Hurting too much?
No.
Don't have anything to chew on? You looking forward to lunch? Hey? Don't want to answer, do you? Can you see Bonnie there? Hey? Can you see me?
she sees me.
You can see her, can you? Just out of the one eye? Your other eye's looking a lot better than it looked before.
Oh, oh.
Oh, you're falling asleep, are you? Or are you awake? You're awake, aren't you? Huh? Do you like coming down for a ride?
Yeah.
What do you like best about it? Going and seeing the birds?
Yeah.
Say goodbye. Very good.